Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to use Grammarly to check Google Docs. So let's get started. At first we need to make sure that we have downloaded this app, that is Grammarly, and from the settings you need to provide the required permissions as well. Once you are done with that, we can get into Google Docs. So here it is. Now open the docs and write the required text, and over here we'll be able to see this G icon. Simply tap on this, and to improve it, click on improve it, and we can see various options here. So how you would like to update it or change it, you can simply type that, and we'll be able to see the options here. To insert it, simply click on insert, and it's done. So this is all we can do to check Google Docs using Grammarly. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.